Hi and welcome back to XGENIA tutorial. Today we'll continue on building a simple chatbot integrated to huggingface.co using XGENIA. Let's continue building the function nodes. A chatbot is fundamentally about state management, holding the user input, the API response, and configuration details. Let's start defining our persistent variables outside the main component flow. We're pulling out a string node from the utilities menu, then rename to provider. This will hold the identifier for the specific LLM service we're using, which is a good practice for platform abstraction. Next, let's get our environment variables sorted. We're adding another string node. We call it model ID. It will store that configuration parameter. And of course, the API key. We'll place another string node for this. For the node graph logic, this acts as the data source. The main action when a user hits send will be handled by a function node, which serves as our visual microservice or handler. We're adding one and calling it store data. We're now inside our store data function. We need to clearly tell it what data we expect to receive and what data we need to send out. First, the inputs. We'll create a local variable, model ID. We're telling this function, look for the value from the upstream model ID node and hold onto it here. Next is the provider string. We map this to the provider input. Every piece of configuration needs to be explicitly handed over to this function before it can do its job. And the most important credential, API key. By assigning the external API key input to this internal variable, we make sure the secret is available for any custom JavaScript we might write. Now for the outputs. Since this function is only gathering configuration, not consuming it, we need to pass the data through to the next node. We're defining an output for API key. Next, the provider output. This pattern of explicitly defining outputs, even if they are the same as the inputs, is called defining a contract. It means the flow of data is always clear to every node that follows. And the final output, model ID. We've essentially built a data relay station. We established a clean, explicit contract, which is robust and easy to maintain. Let's just inspect the script together to understand the logic. Now for the critical data wiring. We're connecting our function variable nodes. First, connect the value output in provider node to provider input in store data. The value output in model ID node connects to the model ID input in store data node. And then connect the value output in API key to input in store data. So everything has been connected to the store data node now. This establishes the dependency tree. When store data executes, it is guaranteed to have the necessary configuration data. This completes the foundational logic layer. We've styled the components, defined the key state variables, and established the core configuration flow needed to initiate a chatbot request. In the upcoming part, we'll style the UI and edit the UX to match the functions here. See you in the next segment. Thanks for watching. Get XGENIA for free today at xgenia.ai and start building smarter and faster than ever.